What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a new video update on how to do your eyebrows, girl. Anyways, let's just get into the video. So I know like a couple of months last year on my channel I did a eyebrow tutorial, and I don't think I did it the way that I was supposed to. So I'm coming back today to do a updated eyebrow tutorial video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I'm just gonna let y'all know your girl is cheap. Okay, I'm cheap as hell. So the things that I use to do my eyebrows, I use LA Girls. It's upside down. LA Girls. I use an eyebrow pencil with this eyebrow brush at the end, and this is a dark brown. Make sure your pencil is nice and sharpened. Make sure your pencil is nice and sharpened. And to clean up my eyebrows with my Pro Concealer, I get this from like my local hair store. I get this. So this is basically just color. Where's the color? Where's the color? Chestnut. So yeah, is this upside down too? Okay, there you go. Pro Concealer. So let's just get straight into the video, and I'm going to be using this brush to clean up, you know. So let's get straight into it. So first, what you want to do is, sis, you want to brush your eyebrows. I'm going to be looking in this mirror, but y'all can still see me, okay? So you want to brush your eyebrows. Brush your eyebrows. Okay. You're going to brush your eyebrows. Gonna brush your eyebrows, girl, okay? Make sure you get them hairs up there. Brush. I'm looking in this mirror, okay, y'all? So, yeah, but y'all can still see me. So, you gonna brush your eyebrows. Yeah, my face is breaking out so bad. For all the women that know when it's that time of the month. So, what I like to do is you basically can see, like, you know, the outline of your eyebrows. So what I like to do is I don't like to start in the front. I like to start right here, like in the middle. And I like to just, you know, draw. You don't want to actually, like, arch. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to make a McDonald's. You know what I'm saying? Arch. You just want to basically just lightly stroke it. You want the bottom and the top to meet. Well, that's just how I do mine. You know, I like to just brush it, just to, you know, kind of fill it in. So I like to do it like that. And then I like to do the same for the other side. So you just want to fill it in. Okay? So, okay. So, now, you just want to fix it up some. Okay. So, now what you want to do is, you just want to lightly brush. Just lightly brush. Lightly brush. Lightly brush. So now what you want to do is you want to take, hold on girl, let's get this up out of here. And I'm using my new brushes. So what you want to do is you want to take your I'm not gonna use that. What I like, this is what I use right here. This is like a makeup eyebrow thing that you can just do your eyebrows with or whatever. I don't know the name. But you can do your eyeshadow with it as well. So you're gonna use the the gel liner, and this is gel 722 very black. So you want to just dab it just a little bit, and you just want to lightly stroke, okay? Because you don't want no pitch black eyebrows. You just want to lightly stroke them things. Okay? Which that one already look. They look black enough anyways, but y'all just bear with me, okay? Bear with me. So we're gonna just stroke. Stroke them eyebrows, girl. So you're not doing the front still, okay? The front is not done. You see that? See that? The front ain't done. Don't worry about all this. We gonna clean all that up, okay? Don't worry about that. So I'm gonna take my eyebrow pencil and I'm just gonna fill it in some more. I'm just gonna continue to stroke with, you know, you just gotta do your eyebrows pleasing to your sight. You know what I'm saying? If you like them things all the way up here, you could do them like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fill in our eyebrows, but we're not going to fill them in the, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be light. It's going to be light. So you just want to, okay? But now what we're going to do is we're going to take this same thing and we're going to, but not the side that we use now, okay? Because we don't want this part to be all black. So we're just going to take that and we're going to just spread it across. We're just going to fade it out, make it look like a faded eyebrow, okay? I'm going to make it look like a faded eyebrow. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take our Pro Concealer. You don't really need that much, sis, okay? So all you got to do... I think I found a new name for y'all, too. Y'all going to be my sis. Because my channel is mainly for, like, girls. Like, I mean, dudes can watch it, too. But, you know... We're going to dab that in there like that. And then we're going to fix this eyebrow up, girl. So you want to just draw. It's like you painting. It's like you painting. You know what I'm saying? You want to stay in the lines. So you just want to outline your eyebrow to get it right. You know what? I think I'm going to use this. This is my Matte Pro Less, okay? We're going to use this, okay? This is 322 because I feel like this is not, it's not coming out the way I want it. Okay, so... Okay, so now that I look all, you know, crazy, let me tell you something, sis, okay? For all the females that does their eyebrows, make sure you blend the concealer. We don't want you walking around thinking you cute in the mall and you got all this white stuff under your eyebrows. Sis, okay? We don't want it. We're not here for it. We're laughing at you. We're taking pictures. You're going on World Star. It's not about to happen. Okay? Oh, did I do the side? So y'all throwing me off. Okay. Let me see. So now we're going to do this side. We're going to do this side. And going to, like we did the other side. Okay. Now what we're going to do, okay, hold on. Too much. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing like we did for the other side. Okay. You want to stay in the line, sis. I'm a bad painter. Ooh. Okay. So now that that's like that, what we're going to do now is we're going to take our blender. Yeah, we're going to take this. Okay. And we're going to basically, you know, we're going to blend it in. That's the word I was looking for. Yeah, we're going to blend it in. Okay. So my eyebrow is, you know, what I want to do now is I want to make this part a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it up some. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Okay. So, and now that I did that, I fixed it up. You do not have to go back with the concealer unless you want to, because I stayed in between the lines, basically in between the concealer. So I'm just blending this in. Just blending it in. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to blend this in. Okay. So if your eyebrow get like this where, you know, some of it was taken off, all you have to do is just go back in and bam. There you go, sis. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side. So basically, girl, them eyebrows look good, girl. So basically now, well, I ain't gonna do that because I was gonna do a whole full face, but I gotta get me some new foundation not foundation, but powder. So I'm not even gonna do all that. So basically, like, you see all this, if you was to wear foundation with powder, you would basically just, you know, put your foundation on your powder and it'll blend in with it. So don't really worry about the whites. Just blend it in as much as you can, and you know, if you see something you don't like, you can fix it up or whatever. So, there you go. Fix this side up some more. Okay. Okay. So let's take a look at these eyebrows, girl. Eyebrows? Who? Girl, these my real eyebrows, girl. What you talking about? Girl, who drew their eyebrows on? Girl, these my real eyebrows. What, sis? Okay. Now, if you don't like your eyebrows dark like this, I like my eyebrows a little dark like this because I have dark hair all the time. But, I mean, they're not black. You know, I used that brown and I went back in and shaded it a little bit, black in a little bit. So, I mean, this is the finish, you know. Look. You can't go thicker. You can't go skinnier. I prefer not to go either because I don't like my eyebrows thick. I don't like them too skinny. So, yeah, I'm still learning, okay? But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do more tutorials on, you know, my eyebrows, my hair, you know, whatever you name it, comment down below what you guys think I should do. I'll do it for you guys. Anyways, if you guys like this tutorial, if you guys think I did a good job, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. If you like me, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye, sus!